here we have Miss Evie. We also have a little one sitting on top of her. Oh, isn't she adorable? Anyway, welcome to, well, I guess it's Evie and the Evielings special on Gardener Gone Wild. And, so you can see, there they are.
Getting bigger.
Of course. And if we get another angle, here they all lie. Isn't that adorable? Looks like we've got 5 little duckies in a row down there. One sitting on top. And one that is, well, right up there, the big one that surrounds them all. So the reason why they're doing that at the moment is because we've just cleaned out the nest, and sometimes she doesn't realise it's still a nest. So if we just have a look, there's a nest, all fresh and clean. And the rather grubby ramp. And now we're up. So we're going to just have to move them into the nest, and when we're ready, and eventually they'll figure it out. So here we have Miss Evie, who likes biting me, as you can see. Evil Evie, evil Evie, evil Evie.
In the inside.
I will. Sorry, baby. In you go. In you go. In you go. In you go. Oops.
Oh. And number 6. Oh.
Here's your babies. There you go. Yep, there you go. Oops. There you go. Hello. Oh, little nibblies. They nibbled.
They leaned off their mum.
Yeah, you really have. Oh no, they all want a piece of the action.
Aww. Tasty.
Taste. Oh, they got 5 duckies nibbling me at once. Nearly 6.
Aww. You've taught them well, Evie.
Yeah. Oh God, all 6 of them. So there they are. Not as nibbly at the moment though. Still quite nibbly. Very nibbly. Looks like they're settling into the nest after all.
Yay.
Yay.
Aww. Bye. We've given Evie some me time, so she's out and about with everyone else and just had a bath, and now she's playing around in this water and having a good groom of herself. So the gardener's babysitting and Evie is just having some me time. All mums need me time. Hey Evie. And Addie is still on her nest in the flax bushes. Hey Addie. He's a good girl. And Mr. Duck is just all excited about everything, aren't you? Hey, Evie's back! Yay!
So there we have it, Miss Evie and her little well-trained Nibbly Evielings. So that's all for now, and thank you for watching. And also, please remember to like, subscribe, and enjoy this video, as well as hopefully plenty more that you'll hopefully be watching on this channel. And that is all for now. Till next time on Gardener Gone Wild.